Hello learners, you are watching the video DevOps in Nutshell. Stay focused and in the next 10 minutes or so, you will derive insights into commonly asked questions such as what is DevOps, why do we need DevOps, and what needs to be learned in DevOps. So, what is DevOps? If you look at traditional waterfall method, we are following for many decades now, though it is working for us, crucial business parameters such as time to market is not well addressed and so remains high as against an expected low value. Agile came to our rescue to a great extent in shortening the development cycle through incremental iterative development method, but still agility in deployment had been challenging and hence time to market still high. DevOps as a culture, as a practice, through its automation brings in agility to both development and deployment and greatly reduced time to market. Not only that, multiple deployment within a day is made feasible. And so, the benefit, a happy customer with low time to market and multiple deployments in a day made possible. In order to deliver faster and error-free software, DevOps formulated 4 key concepts. They are continuous integration. The first one, tools such as Git and GitHub takes care of source code control. Jenkins, as an orchestration tool, interface with multiple DevOps tools in building CI/CD pipeline. Docker helps in packaging software executables along with all its dependencies to prevent failures that are common due to environment incompatibility. Next one is continuous deployment. Brings in automation and environment to the operations team to realize highly available and scalable and flexible environment with load balancing and many more features. Tools such as Docker Compose, Docker Swarm, and Kubernetes helps to realize these features. Thirdly, infrastructure as code. To automate environment setup and install needed software across multiple environments, which is humanly tedious, error-prone, and time-consuming. Ansible and Puppet, our configuration management tool, help us to realize this automation. Finally, continuous monitoring. Post the deployment, continuous monitoring is key to plan proactive and predictive maintenance to prevent failures in production environment. Nagios is one such continuous monitoring tool which helps us to automate this feature. Now, why an organization needs DevOps? Fundamentally, business need reduced time to market. An IT team needs faster development and more development time rather than spending time in fixing bugs. An operations team needs a stable, scalable, and highly available environment in order to ensure business continuity. DevOps offers all these features. The CI/CD pipeline to ensure reduced time to market, continuous integration for rapid development, containerization and continuous monitoring to reduce bugs, container orchestration to ensure a highly available, scalable, and a stable environment. Finally, why do you need DevOps? Looking at the trend in the US DevOps market, the next 5 years from now, the trend is constantly growing to the tune of $2 billion to $5 billion. That means plenty of opportunity for people who are DevOps aware. Also, looking at the enterprise adoption trend of DevOps, more than 80% of the organization worldwide have adopted or adopting DevOps, either company-wide or within their business units or divisions or within the project teams. This means plenty of opportunity ahead for people who are aware of DevOps and can be productive in DevOps environment. Moreover, the compensation package for a DevOps engineer currently prevailing in the market based on their experience levels says ranging from 350k INR to 2 million INR. So what you're waiting for? Exploit the advantage of being DevOps aware. Qualify to be part of your organization DevOps transformation. Make yourself future proof. Stay relevant in the organization you are serving or going to serve. Thank you for watching. For DevOps course registration, do call us in the below given number or you can write to us in the email provided. Thank you.